New technologies, new formats, and new models have brought new opportunities to the manufacturing industry. During the digital age, the disordered can converge orderly, the unknown can be predicted, and the vitality of data is subverting your imagination. Johnson Controls, from automation to digitization, from lean production to artificial intelligence, from agile manufacturing to digital twins, from network collaboration to IoT applications. We believe in the power of data, and the invisible power can create unlimited value. We achieved the system integration of the whole business flow and build an intelligent operation platform according to our business model. To realize the rapid and customized docking with the needs of users. Flexible and agile supplier management, efficient and stable product manufacturing. Through the Selection Cloud platform, customers can select models, update requirements, and track order status. At the same time, we can also quickly design, modify customized schemes, greatly shorten the design cycle, and improve customer satisfaction. Through interaction between ERP and MES, the efficiency is maximized and cost is minimized on the premise of meeting delivery time. After receiving customer orders, ERP will generate material requirements and connects with supplier's manufacturing system in real time through the self-developed Supplier Logistics Management Cloud Platform, SLMP. At the same time, suppliers can also share their inventory and delivery status through this cloud platform, so that factories can obtain the real-time material status very clearly. Using RFID and barcode technology, WMS realizes accurate material management and control. Materials distribution is also realized by integrated automatic transportation equipment such as AGV. Automated storage system is designed according to the characteristics of different products by our factories. It greatly improves the space utilization rate, material distribution efficiency, and inventory management level of the warehouse. The three-dimensional virtual workshop collects the data of each system in real time, realizes the interactive integration of physical workshop and virtual workshop, and presents the operation state and operation results of the factory in a panoramic way. Managers can dynamically adjust the system to respond quickly to all abnormal situations. Advanced safety monitoring and energy management system brings a more comfortable, safe, and sustainable working environment. The Industrial Gateway, RFID, and OPC are applied to the information processing of production resources to realize the interconnection of people, machines, and materials. Advanced industrial robots, collaborative robots, automated flexible production lines, and information-based management systems have been widely used in manufacturing processes. With the big data analysis of process data, AI technologies with self-perception, self-learning, and self-decision-making are gradually applied to our manufacturing process. Using IoT technology, QMS can assign inspection tasks, adjust inspection frequency, and collect process data automatically. By establishing a quality prediction model, it can realize automatic early warning, adjustment, and error prevention to improve product quality. Thus, the standardization of quality management, precision of quality control, and visualization of quality improvement are realized. Through cloud technology, remotely monitor the operation status of products, predict faults, and send early warning information to ensure that products are always in the best operation state. Digital transformation has greatly improved customer satisfaction, inventory, efficiency, and quality, greatly shortened the lead time, and reduced the manufacturing cost. With continuous innovation and improvement, our intelligence level has been gradually improved and has been positively affirmed by the industry and local governments. We will continue to implement the digital transformation strategy, comprehensively cover digitization, networking, and intelligence, and always maintain the leading position of manufacturing technology.